Spirit pig sniff round searching jungle deep. Warlock hide but pig still linger. The jungle soon meet a pig slain Tailor. Square bush beats roll like a silent drum. Tailor girl come stitching for fun. Close on the critters, styles and neat, but dark was now from beat to beat. Tailor the Tailor gal of grace, showing dreads on a monkey face. See the bush crab holy green, she take the stocks for fever clean. Duppy breeze start creeping low, boys them grunt that start to glow. Toast like dagger, break like fire, but the gal got paid and righteous higher. Tailor swing bleed like she heed your call. Gal protect roots when the spirits brawl. Blood pon leaf, but heart stay pure. Boys get mashed, they stink like sewer. Tailor of jungle, nowhere to name. Morphmaster bless her in righteous flame. Slayah rise, Slayah rise, Slayah rise. Mothman watch from smoky perch, seen her blaze, them beasts in lurch. Not afraid for life or death, come now gal take warlock breath. Teach you right of the split from Psalm. Outfit and dung up your feet, come roots get strong, herb get tall. Tailor no answer Zion call. Swing blade like she heed your call. Gal protect roots when the spirits brawl. Blood pon leaf, but heart stay up pure. Boys get mashed, they stink like sewer. Tailor of jungle, nowhere to name. Morphmaster bless her in righteous flame. Slayah rise, Slayah rise. Slayah rise. Now them whispering divine and tree beware. Slayah, she not flee. Jaguar dress pon lizard tail, she stitch up piece where magic still. Crops still grow and creatures fed while more fight dig for keep him head. Spirits die from demon pain, but girl got strong in Johnny. She chant like I, dread come proud. Lightning flash and thunder loud. No born her guppy mashed his gates and Slayah. Now she walk Jaffe. Roots protect the blade so bright. Daughter of Zion, cloaked in light. No porky boy running free again, get rose like them waiting for sun. Their pen on too loud, them catch the chop. No big and bubble and go pop. Dreads of life stitching up and fair. Slayah dwell till spirits clear. Morphmaster, giving blessings for Tailor the